Court is a funny thing. A lot of us have been in court for this or that, or most of us have been in court for traffic violations. But this story comes to mind, one of my favorite court stories. I remember this Jewish mother was in court for her boy accused of raping his babysitter. And she was so passionate about it. She put him on a stool and said, "Look at this innocent child. How could this innocent child rape this cow?" And she drops his pants and she displays him. She says, "Mom, stop playing with my thingy. We'll lose the case." Well, we're mistrustful people, and we were not very practical people. So I remember this old man, he came to the lawyer's office and said, "So, you're a lawyer?" He says, "Yes, I am." "Can you prove it?" He says, "Well, I have all these diplomas on the wall. I went to law school." He says, "You can read and write?" He says, "Yeah." "So, you can make a will?" He says, "Yeah, we practice making wills." So sit down and make me a will. Write down, "I leave nothing to nobody." Yeah, so as I said, I don't do anything without an advice of my attorney. I'm impressed with my attorney Bernie. I'm impressed with his influential friends. He's got very big connections, and I follow his directions. Bernie knows his way around, so I always do what Bernie recommends. I am blessed with my attorney Bernie. I'm impressed with the way he runs the store. He's got Dodger season boxes and his office full of foxes. I am amazed at all the different things your average guy might need a lawyer for. Bernie tells me what to do. Bernie always lays the line. Bernie says we sue, we sue. Bernie says we sign, we sign. I'm in touch with my attorney Bernie. In a clutch, he can spit right to the scene. If I'm locked up in a jail with just one phone call in my bail, he says to hold his club or did not deal directly with his answering machine. When I dine with my attorney Bernie, he buys wine from the rare imported rock. That's cause Bernie is a purist, not some polyester tourist. Bernie waves a glass around and takes a sip and always sends it back. I admire my attorney Bernie. I admire any guy who knows his stuff. Sure, he blew a couple of ventures with a counterfeit debentures, but with a few, when you lose a few, and Bernie says you always keep on hanging tough. Thanks to you, my attorney Bernie. Thanks to you, I'm considered well-to-do. Sure, I may not like a bandit, but exactly like a blended. And like Murray, my accountant says, he told me yesterday, well, I owed it all to you. Bernie tells me all to you. Bernie says we lie the line. Bernie says we sue, we sue. Bernie says we sign on a dotted line.